Hello, Emma. Where are you now?
Hi, Oliver. I'm waiting at the bus stop.
What are you doing there for so long?
The bus is late, so I'm still waiting.
Oh, dear. Please come home soon.
I'm trying my best.
The weather looks awful today.
Yes, it's very cloudy here.
Is it raining now?
Yes, it has started raining heavily.
Did you bring your umbrella with you?
No, I forgot it at home this morning.
That's unfortunate.
I know, I'm getting completely wet.
Please be careful on the road.
Don't worry, I'm staying safe.
Can you see the bus yet?
Yes, I can see it coming now.
Good. Get on quickly.
I'm getting on right now.
Did you manage to find a seat?
Yes, luckily I found one near the window.
That's good. I'm waiting for you at home.
I'll be there very soon.
I can hear thunder outside.
Yes, the weather is getting worse.
Are you close to home now?
Yes, I'm only a few minutes away.
I'm opening the front door for you.
I've just got off the bus.
Hurry inside before you catch a cold.
I'm walking as fast as I can.
You must be freezing and wet.
Yes, the rain soaked all my clothes.
Go and change into something warm.
I'm going to change now.
I'll bring you a towel and a hot cup of tea.
Thanks so much.